Florida Department of Transportation announces the opening of the new northbound entrance ramp to Florida's Turnpike mainline at State Road 874 Don Shula Expressway from Southwest 117th Avenue, Southwest 152nd Street on the morning of Friday, July 12th. If crews are unable to perform the necessary work, this new ramp will open the morning of Monday, July 15th. This new ramp will allow motorists traveling on Southwest 117th Avenue, Southwest 152nd Street, direct access to northbound Florida's Turnpike or northbound 874 without merging into the Turnpike mainline. Motorists wishing to access northbound Florida's Turnpike can do so from either of the two ramp lanes. Motorists wishing to access northbound State Road 874 must do so from the left ramp lane. Due to this new configuration, motorists using the new entrance ramp to northbound Florida's Turnpike will no longer be able to exit at Southwest 120th Street, exit 19. Motorists wishing to access Southwest 120th Street will have to continue north on Southwest 117th Avenue to Southwest 120th Street. We ask that motorists pay attention to overhead signs, portable message boards, and pavement markings for directions. Please be patient and allow extra time to reach your destination. For more information, please contact the Public Information Office at 305-964-4861 or 1-800-749-PIKE.